Civil engineering is an ancient and vital profession. It deals with the design, construction and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment. This includes works like roads, bridges, canals, dams and buildings. A B.Tech in civil engineering provides students with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in this field. This program typically spans 4 years, divided into 8 semesters. Eligibility criteria often include passing a higher secondary examination, often with physics, chemistry and mathematics as core subjects. The curriculum is meticulously designed to impart a strong foundation in mathematics, science and engineering principles. Students delve into specialized subjects related to structural engineering, geotechnical engineering and environmental engineering. The program emphasizes both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. This ensures graduates are well prepared to tackle the challenges of this dynamic field. It equips them with the expertise to design and construct sustainable and resilient infrastructure. The core curriculum of B.Tech Civil Engineering covers a wide array of subjects. These subjects provide students with a comprehensive understanding of fundamental principles and their applications. Mathematics forms the bedrock, enabling students to solve complex engineering problems. Physics and chemistry provide the scientific basis for understanding the properties of materials and their behavior under different conditions. Engineering mechanics focuses on the forces and their effects on structures, while strength of materials delves into the behavior of materials under stress and strain. Surveying teaches students how to accurately measure and map land, a crucial aspect of any civil engineering project. Hydraulics and fluid mechanics deal with the behavior of liquids and their applications in areas like water resource management. Electives allow students to specialize in areas that align with their interests and career goals. Students can choose from a diverse range of subjects like structural dynamics, earthquake engineering, and transportation engineering. Those interested in sustainable development can opt for electives like green building design or environmental impact assessment. Elective courses often provide opportunities for hands-on learning through projects and case studies. This allows students to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Section 4. The crucial role of practical applications. Practical applications are an integral part of the B.Tech Civil Engineering program. Laboratory sessions provide students with hands-on experience in conducting experiments, analyzing data, and interpreting results. They get to work with various materials testing equipment, surveying instruments, and software applications. Field trips to construction sites, water treatment plants, and other relevant infrastructure projects provide valuable insights into real-world applications. Internships with construction companies, consulting firms, and government agencies offer students practical experience and industry exposure. Section 5. Navigating admissions and top institutes. Admission to B.Tech. Civil engineering programs is typically based on entrance exams. These exams assess students' aptitude in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Some institutes may also conduct their own entrance exams or consider national level exams. Several prestigious institutes across the country offer B.Tech civil engineering programs. These institutes have experienced faculty, state-of-the-art infrastructure and strong industry connections. Some of the top institutes include the Indian Institutes of Technology, National Institutes of Technology, and various state-level engineering colleges. Section 6. Charting a course for your career. A B.Tech in civil engineering opens doors to a wide range of career opportunities. Graduates can find employment in various sectors, including construction, infrastructure development, consulting, and government agencies. They can work as structural engineers, geotechnical engineers, environmental engineers, transportation engineers, and construction managers. With experience and further specialization, graduates can rise to leadership positions in their chosen fields. The demand for skilled civil engineers continues to grow, driven by urbanization, infrastructure development, and the need for sustainable solutions.